The new development is that I'm reading Ramayana these days. So I'm planning to travel to different locations of Ramayana. I'm one of those millennials who is still figuring out her life. So there are a lot of things I'm doing, and this is a major, very big part of it. And I'm very sorry about the glare that you see on my specs because मेरे सामने मेरा laptop open है. मैं अब literally Instagram को अपनी personal diary की तरह treat कर रही हूँ. Yes, it's 4 a.m. in the morning when I'm recording this video because I'm working on something new, and I thought that the best way to test an idea is to interact with the audience. पहली बात तो मुझे ट्रैवलिंग करना बहुत पसंद है और मेरी फीड पे आप लोगों को दिख ही रहा होगा वो चीज. एंड मेरी अब स्पेशलिटी भी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में ट्रैवलिंग हो गई है बिकॉज आई वर्क विद ट्रैवल इंडस्ट्री पीपल. द न्यू डेवलपमेंट इज दैट आई एम रीडिंग रामायणा दीज डेज व्हिच स्टार्टेड एज अ रिसर्च बट नाउ आई सडनली got really interested in Ramayana. I'm reading this translation of Valmiki's Ramayana that is done by C. Raja Gopalachari ji. It's a big project for myself because I want to travel this time where I can learn something and I can, also teach you all something about, let's say, our history, our culture, our mythology, religion, everything. Okay, I'm going to talk you through the phase 1, that is Uttar Pradesh circuit, जो पूरा मैं करना चाहती हूँ. I'll be starting with Ayodhya, जो कि राम जन्मभूमि है. From Ayodhya, the plan is to go to Chitrakoot, प्रयागराज, श्रावस्ती और बस्ती, I think they call it. कि वहाँ पे जाके मैं सिर्फ एज अ व्लॉगर वीडियो नहीं बनाना चाहती हूँ. That will be a part of this entire plan, of course. I do want to reach out to experts in those areas. There are a local expert or someone who know about that era of Ramayana, who has that knowledge. I would love you to connect me with that person. And if you are a videographer in that area so please get in touch with me. See, I can't pay you much. This is not a monetized series, but I will try to pay you as much as I can. I always prefer living with locals rather than staying in hotels or hostels. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप अगर किसी शहर में किसी के घर में रह रहे हैं, वो उस शहर के बारे में किसी होटल वाले से या हॉस्टल वाले से ज्यादा जानता होगा. I started asking you guys कि कोई है क्या किसी घर पे I can stay, and if there's a videographer, if there's an expert, please start giving me suggestions about Uttar Pradesh में exactly which are all the places that are related to Ramayana where I should be visiting for sure. It can be any place. I'm anyways doing my research, but keep putting in योर कॉमेंट्स कि कहाँ पे मुझे फॉर श्योर विजिट करना चाहिए और वहाँ पे मुझे कौन सी स्टोरी के बारे में पता चलेगा, राइट? विच पार्ट ऑफ रामायण आई गेट टू नो. We'll call it the Ramayana project for now until unless we have finalized any other name for it.